Hello everyone! In this short video, we'll see all the options you have to move from one cell to the next. Some options may be common knowledge, but there may be some that you don't know and that are worth keeping in your pocket. I'll show you how you can move using this 10 by 10 table, but the content could really be anything. We all know that after we edit a cell, for example writing 112 here, we move down with Enter. You can also move to the right by pressing the Tab key. So for example F2, this one becomes 222, we press Tab and we move to the right. This one becomes 233, for example, Tab and we move once again to the right. And once we press Enter, for example here 244, and we press Enter, as you see, we move back to the second column, which is the first column we were in when we started typing Tab. And by the way, this works also if you do not write anything in the formula bar. So Tab, 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 we move to the right, Enter, we go back to the first column we were in. Now, if you hold Shift while typing Enter or Tab, you'll go in the opposite direction. So for example, let's enter the cell with F2. This is 422. Shift and Enter. As you see, we move up. F2, 322. Shift and Tab. We move to the left. And finally, what if you don't want to move at all? For example, let's say that you want to write something and then fill the cell yellow. There is a key combination for that as well. After we edit, for example, cell 55 in 555, you should press Ctrl and Enter, and as you see, you won't move from the cell. Now we can paint it yellow and move wherever we need, with Enter, with Tab, or simply with the arrow keys. I found that this last option is not common knowledge, but I use it a lot in my everyday Excel activities. Every time I write something in a cell and then, for example, I need to change the number formatting, the fill color, or I need to copy it and paste it somewhere else. It's a small time saving, but several little time savings here and there are going to significantly boost your productivity. And this is it for this short video. Feel free to leave a message in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date with the newest releases. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.